Step into the 2020 Ram 1500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.